Right, right.
It's not.
Right. I got you.
Hi, I'm Brian and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm at a train show, a local train show. Let's go check it out. It's like going to New Orleans. Oh, look, they got a donut shop. A record shop.
Yeah, there's the. So that's kind of. There's loose with popping up right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Some of the seams from the tables are a little off, so I'm gonna have to share that bottom.
Wow, it's amazing what you can build with Legos. You can rent a car. Oh look, Ted Drew's.
And when they worked this deal with the city of Flower, that's pretty great.
That's pretty neat.
Iron Spike, yeah. That's huge. That's a nice one right there. And then on Big Bend, the Frisco station, there's a O-Gauge, yeah. There's a few places that still have permanent layouts, but a lot of them are these modular groups now.
Anyone out there remember when I went and seen the ketchup bottle? There might be at least one of you out there. It's a pretty neat layout. Let's see here. Oh, Gone with the Wind showing. You can check out the town. Is that an RV with wings? That's crazy.
That's like right the next thing.
We got a scrapyard. Whoa. We can go to the Gateway Arch. Uh-oh, we had an accident at the Waffle House.
It looks amazing. It looks so utterly pure but amazing. Because all three of these are also how fast?
It's amazing the amount of detail. Hey, Dewey, Cheatham, and Howe. Leave a comment below if you know where that came from.
We did one of 4 people and then we decided to do it. Come on. Yeah. Let's go see what train is. Hey, y'all, put on the...
They They got the Green Light Diner. Oh, we're in Arnold now.
Oh, thank you. Did you guys have any luck on finding the lady one? Not yet. Okay. Well, I might. Well, once we find the thing, I'll just put it out to you. Because I don't own it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I need to get out of the house. Okay, that's fine. Just just to have mental health break because I make no loose. Yeah, that's not
Whoa.
good. That's why.
Those are funny cars.
She was getting so crazy, and I start texting you and Callie,
We're going to tunnel.
Stop it. You get unhooked over there.
Check out that one. This is a really cool layout. Oop. Check out the cow. Oh.
Right.
It's not.
Right. I got you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's cool. Looks like they have a fire. Maybe they're doing a little drill. You got Piggy's BBQ. Uh-oh, we had an
Straight
incident.
through it, didn't you? You're making me out to be a liar. But on the other side over here.
Whoa, check that out.
I'm still stopping at that switch. All right, we'll take a look and see how it's going.
The Royal Crown.
I just got to trim it this corner.
The freight station. Get a little farming done. Got a little farmhouse.
Let me know. I'm just going to stop my. Go ahead.
Kelly, your box car came off. Kelly, you lost your caboose.
Never want to lose your caboose. I don't know if you heard that, but that guy said he lost his caboose. Oh. quite a bit here.
There's another in modular and
Yeah, there's one here and then one up by the arch.
but there's another one. There's
And then there's this one right over.
another N-track club. Isn't there?
Well, they weren't going to be here.
They're not here tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's a little
I'm
guy.
happy on the couch watching TV.
I'll get that kind of time. I got too many grandkids.
Yeah, see, it's just me and my grandkids live over in Illinois, so and they don't come to visit very often.
Oh, my grandkids.
It's weird because they're so concerned with the gym floor. That reminds me when I was a kid. Remember how the gym teacher was all paranoid about the gym floor? Nice. Oh, look at those smart cars. Let's walk around and see what we got for sale. There was a sign I seen last year that I wish I would have bought. Nice.
On the other side is more of their detail. So it depends on like what size
The old stuff is cool. If you want to. I didn't put you on. I was filming around you, but thanks for watching today's adventure. I will see you guys someplace or another. You guys have a great day. Bye. Yeah, there's cars inside the dealership.